To track trades in Uniswap Subgraph, start by understanding the basics of Uniswap and the Graph protocol. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that facilitates token swaps, and the Graph is a decentralized data indexing protocol that allows developers to query blockchain data in a scalable and efficient manner. First, navigate to the Uniswap Subgraph on the Graph Explorer, which provides a user-friendly interface to query Uniswap data. Here, you can find various subgraphs related to Uniswap, such as the Uniswap v2 subgraph or the Uniswap v3 subgraph, each containing different data entities and relationships. Next, familiarize yourself with the schema of the Uniswap subgraph, which defines the structure of the data stored in the subgraph. The schema includes entities such as trades, tokens, pairs, and liquidity providers, each with its own set of attributes and relationships. To track trades, you can use the trades entity in the subgraph, which contains information such as the trade ID, timestamp, token addresses, amounts, and prices. You can query the trades entity using the graph query language, which allows you to filter, sort, and aggregate trade data based on specific conditions. For example, you can query all trades for a specific token pair, or filter trades by a specific time range or liquidity provider. You can also use aggregation functions to calculate metrics such as the total volume or average price of trades for a given token pair. Best practices for tracking trades in Uniswap Subgraph include using meaningful query names and descriptions, handling errors and exceptions properly, and optimizing queries for performance and scalability. Additionally, be aware of the limitations and potential biases of the data, such as the impact of front-running or wash trading on trade data. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively track trades in Uniswap Subgraph and gain valuable insights into the Uniswap ecosystem. This knowledge can be applied to various use cases, such as market research, trading strategy development, and risk management, and can help you make more informed decisions in the decentralized finance space.